Hello there, everybody. On this Friday, I'm meteorologist Greg D. This is your first Arkansas Bank and Trust weather update. It's centered and really focused on the Hogs and game days Saturday morning up in Fayetteville. So if you're leaving central Arkansas or other parts of the state on this Friday afternoon, most of the state is dry. Those are mostly false returns on the radar, except a couple of showers here in western Arkansas developing Scott and over toward Crawford County. Those will be moving away, so no problems there. We got temperatures that are cooling, 80 Little Rock, 85, 86 in Camden. You see the cooler weather is yet to get to southern Arkansas, but it's on its way with these northerly winds. We're definitely pushing that cooler air from the north down toward the south. It is breezy out there, winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in many towns, but your wind forecast over the next 24 to 36 hours takes those winds and relaxes them from 10 to 15 miles today to only about 10 miles an hour or so tomorrow, and I think the winds will be lighter up on the hill by tomorrow afternoon. The front is already through central Arkansas. It's pushing down to the south. Cooler northeast winds moving in. A little bit of moisture caught up behind that front, so we're looking at a couple of sprinkles here and there in western Arkansas. Those are not going to be a concern for us today. Your forecast track. Look at northwest Arkansas staying clear in Fayetteville tonight and overnight. Now, that's going to set us up for a pretty chilly morning in Washington County, and even the parts of Saturday could stay pretty cool. Right into Sunday in the northwest parts of the state, the rain will stay away. So, your forecast for Fayetteville. Tailgating will be cool. Bring a sweatshirt, long pants, and have something shorter underneath because you're going to want to have a sweatshirt on all morning long through the tailgate through about 10 o'clock until it warms into the 60s. After the tailgate is done, the kickoff temperature, 11:21 is that kickoff against Mississippi Southern, at 69 degrees, so you're thinking 70s for the game. And with the sun out, it'll feel pretty warm in the stands with temperatures in the 70s, especially if you're on the sunny side of the stadium. If you're in the shade, you may want to have a jacket or something light with you just in case you get a little bit of a cool breeze. Forecast temperatures today in Fayetteville, upper 70s to around 80. Overnight, X&A easily falling to 51, 52. I think it's going to be a little bit warmer at the stadium. You're inside the city there. The airport is outside of the main city, but low 50s to start. Quickly climbing through the 60s and 70s to not even 80 on Saturday. Sunday morning, if you're staying there for the weekend, temperatures in the 50s, and check out your forecast temperatures for Sunday. Warming up there in northwest Arkansas, temperatures will be back in the mid-80s. To maybe even near 90 in the northwest parts of the state. So that's your latest check of the game forecast. You can always check out updates on my Facebook page at arkansasmatters.com. If you do go to northwest Arkansas this morning, remember, send out your photos. Send them to me. Anytime this weekend, you can send them into gdee@krk.com, or you can, of course, post them on my Facebook page. Have a great and safe weekend, everybody. Go Hogs, and thanks for making KRK4 your weather authority.